Hi everyone, we're really looking forward to welcoming you back to the Barbers soon. We just have quite a few changes to talk you through. The biggest one for you and for us is appointments only and no walk-ins. So for that reason, when you come to the shop, this middle door is going to be shut at all times. When you come on your appointment time, just knock on the door, somebody will let you in, and there is also instructions for you to follow. When you come through, somebody will take your temperature with an infrared thermometer. If you're presenting with a temperature of 38 or above, you will be kindly asked to reschedule your appointment. We are taking every precaution necessary to protect you, our staff and ourselves.
Once you enter, we have hand sanitizer, masks and gloves for you. We also have a track and trace form which you need to fill out, sign, date. This will be kept private for 21 days and then shredded at the end. Please, on the day, if you have any symptoms, phone us and we can reschedule an appointment for you.
Some of the changes that we've made inside the shop, we have changed the children's much beloved toy room back into a station. This room allows us to have a third chair working with social distancing. It is particularly good for people who are coming out of shielding or who are feeling vulnerable, who won't need to be around anyone else in the main shop. Coming through, we removed one of the chairs to create some space and social distancing, and these are the two chairs that will be working out here. For every customer, you will get a clean gown and we will be wearing clean aprons as well. We will be wearing our visors at all times and a mask. All equipment will be sterilised before and after every customer. Our hand washing will be before and after every customer as well. We can't wait to really welcome you all back and just get some normality back amongst all this madness and just get back to the job that we love.